And how you doing? My name is Eugene and I'm the tree guy. And I'm here to talk to you about getting that tree of yours removed. This happy smiling fellow here, his name is Alex. He's getting ready to climb up to the top of that tree. That's right, he's going to trim all those branches. Now, aren't you glad that you're not the guy climbing up that tree, huh? You know, this is no easy job. And that's why you got to leave it to the pros. The pros like Alex up there. Down goes a branch. Everything is tied so we know exactly where it's going to fall. It's not going to fall on the neighbor's house. You got a tree stump that needs grinding? And here's Joan, he's grinding down a stump. Leave the tree climbing to us. Give us a ring, we'll come out and give you a free estimate. Call 848-238-5055. Thank you. Hope to be seeing you soon.